Hey guys, I'm back reviewing my new arrival two-door keycap from Topsouls. This one comes with a box, so don't worry about damage. Plus, it looks fancy. I'm a big fan of PUBG, and that's why it made me buy this. I have several keycaps that were around the same money compared to the keycaps. But this one is very well made. It's kind of expensive, but I think it's worth it. It's kind of functional when when you can open and close the keycaps. As I ask it and test it, the LED LED can come through barely, but I'm not a fan of LED, so that will not bother me. It feels like aluminum, even though it's zinc alloy. Maybe I never have a zinc alloy keycap before. Now it's sitting on my keyboard for my daily use, definitely. Good material, good looking, nothing can break me and this apart. Have my squad buy it too and they like it. Thank you. Bye.